OBS, SMCI stock analysis and SMCI stock prediction. What I will be breaking down in this brief and short 1-minute video is my exact play, especially looking at Supermicrocomputer stock. I'm definitely willing to take it further up, but like randomly buying will not be the way. I'm having down so much receipts here in the Discord, but it's not even funny. Like you can see even with SMCI. Oh my bad, that's a typo. I have like 82 results as receipts in this Discord, which is, bro, it's crazy. You can see like even the time before I was even on the sell side, then I got a quick little long, and then over the last 4 predictions, 2 of them were wins, 2 of them were losses. Wins are +4R, losses are -1. You know, you do the math, that's a +4R, +6R delivery. And from here on, I'm looking to double down on that. Here's the top. And if it does not yet, you know, pull down and shows me any sort of shift, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to take it further up. You know what I mean? So that's how SMCI is looking like. And in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. Let me know what is your opinion. If you want my exact approach and all that good, yeah, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already seen that, and I'll see you in the next one.